In this video, we're going to learn how to make our own VPC. So we're going to go ahead and type that in the top here, go to VPC Networks, and here we'll create ourselves a new VPC. I'm going to call this my new VPC, and this will be VPC for things. Why would you want to create your own VPC? Well, the default VPC is not recommended for use. You're supposed to create your new one and lock it down to exactly what you need to utilize. But I generally just use the default one because I don't care. Then down below here, we might have to figure our subnets out. It's a lot easier to just use automatic, and so that will set up our subnets for us. Notice that it is single stack, so IPv4. If you want IPv6, go over to here. You might need to set it as dual stack over here. It really depends on what you want to do. But for me, I just want to keep it simple, at least this run through. And so we are going to let it set up our subnets for us, which will be IPv4 single stack. You have our firewall rules. Select any firewall rules below that you would like to apply to this VPC network. And this is if we want to bring them on over. I'm going to leave them alone for now because, maybe if we do use something with this, we'll add them as we go for fun. We can add dynamic routing configuration. I'm going to leave that alone. And then we have best path selection mode. I don't know. I mean, I'd probably just stick with legacy because then I don't have to think. Then down below here, we have DNS configuration. So DNS API needs to be enabled in order to add DNS server policies. Fair enough. We'll go ahead and create our VPC. Okay, and it's creating. We'll give it a moment here to create. Doesn't take that long. I'll pause here, I suppose. There we go. And we have now created our VPC. So here we can go take a look and check its settings. So we can go over here and we can see all the subnets. Look at all those beautiful subnets. We didn't have to set up any of those there, but maybe later on we might want to go back and just make exactly what we want. But you can see, we go over here. We have no firewall rules applied, or we shouldn't. So everything is super, super empty. But we'll work with this and make the changes we need. Okay. Ciao, ciao.